Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys what's in my bag. I've seen all those videos, celebrities doing it, and a lot of people showing what they carry in their bag. So I thought, let's give it a try. So I'm gonna first show you the bag I have. I got this as a gift. This is not purchased by me. So this is the LV Speedy bag, I guess. So I have this cute little keychain thing. I have it since I was in India and I've just kept it with me. I love it. It's just so cute. So first, I love this bag because I think it has a lot of storage space and I usually have like a bunch of stuff in my bag. So we'll start with the wallet. I have this cute little red wallet that I got from Shein. So next is this cute little makeup bag. This was when I first purchased makeup from Clinique. I got like a big tote and I got this one. And I'm gonna show you guys what I have in this, but that will be at the end of it. This has some makeup, a little bit of skincare-ish. So, okay. Next thing that I have is this hand cream. I actually love carrying around hand cream. My hands used to get so dry, and all winter I never really applied any hand cream on the back of my hands. Like I always apply on the palms but never on the back, and I have noticed like a good amount of difference in how smooth the back of the hand gets and how soft it feels. So there's one hand cream, and you know what, I actually have one more. This is the Body Shop one. This was also a gift on Christmas. Somebody gave this gift to me, and at work, it was at work. I have medicines. I have my Gerda. Actually, I have some allergies, so I'm trying to figure out, are these metal allergies or specific allergies. I made this cute little charm bracelet, but I don't wear it either because of the allergies that I have. I get rashes, so I'm really not wearing too much on my arms. All right, let's dig in. What else I have? Well, I have a flashlight, like a mini flashlight. I don't know for what purpose, but I think it's good to have in emergency or something. Then I have a mini hand sanitizer, which is so important when you're traveling or at any point. Hand sanitizers these days are like a must. So I always have a hand sanitizer with me, no matter I'm in the car, no matter I am just traveling in SkyTrain, whatever, I will have a hand sanitizer at all times. So next thing is this mint. I love this. Keeps my mouth really fresh, and I actually love the scent of it. It's the Mentos mint, and it's naturally flavored. I don't know, I've been eating this since I was in India, so I love it. Next, I have this Jolly Rancher. I don't know. At work, I got a lot of chocolates and stuff, so I stuffed some of it in my bag because I'm like, oh, what if I need it one day? Then, funny enough, I have a couple of sachets of Splenda because anytime I'm drinking any coffee outside, I don't put sugar in it. I just put Splenda, so that's there in case I can't find it outside, right? Then I have a mask. Very important. Even with COVID going down and everything, I still believe if you're in public and it's really crowded place, I mean, it doesn't hurt to put a mask on. It's just my opinion. You might not want to, but I just like to. The next, toothpicks. I think it is really important to have these. You can need them at any time. You never know how you're looking. No one's gonna tell you there's something in your teeth. So you have your phone, just keep an eye, just check. These are regular hygiene things. Oh, and then I have a pen. Never know what I need to write down on my hand or whatever, but I have a pen. I used to keep a diary too, but I took it out because it was getting really heavy. Then I have the sesame snaps. My friend's mom gave one of these to me, and I was like, this is so yummy and it's such a good snack. So I have like this in my bag at all times. I will finish and I will get one more. Then there's some snacks in my bag, you know. There's this crepes or something. Then I have this Nutrigain bar. Then I have this almond sweet and salty granola bar from Nature Valley, just in case I can't find food or I'm stuck somewhere, which I was. I will share that story when it comes to it. Other than that, not that much. So let me show you now what I have in this makeup pouch. So let's open it up. Okay, first thing, I have these blotting sheets that I also got from Shein, if I remember correctly. So these are the ones, and well, they're really, I mean, nice, you know. Some days you might just need them. Then I have a comb. Not that I use it that often, but you know, just in case. There's a bunch of stuff in my bag that's just in case type of stuff, and you know what, sometimes I do end up needing this stuff. So yeah. Then I have this little hanky type of thing. This is also from India. I have saved up a bunch of stuff that I got with me when I came here, and I love it. I have bobby pins, and those are not really something I would keep with myself all the time, but they are, you know, just in case I'm just going somewhere and I don't have time to do my hair or something. I just pin my hair at the back and that's it, we're done. Then I have, these are the refreshing cleansing hemp wipes from Evio Skin and Aurora. I got these in my BoxyCharm, and honestly, these are really good. So I like these, and they don't have too much of a scent to them, which is good. I like to keep an eye makeup remover. This is the one from Simple, and I can actually use it for the whole face if I need to. So sometimes it's just that I really need to take my makeup off and all of that, so that's when I like to use that. I have this lip gloss. This is probably my favorite or second favorite. The brands come off, but this is from, I think it's, yeah, this is Dominique Cosmetics. I had gotten this in my BoxyCharm, but I have loved it since. And I've gone ahead and bought a second one as well. Then I have this Moxie Lash, which is, you know, the one with the magnetic eyeliner, if you see. So this is what I have, and I think I have an, I don't know, do I have an eyelash glue? I don't really know, but that's okay. Then I have some hairbands, scrunchies, whatever you want to call it. Then I have this little cleanser. This was probably a birthday gift or something from Sephora one time, from Drunk Elephant. And I would just like to clean my skin because I always do double cleanse. Then I have this cute little beauty blender, just in case I need to fix something. Then I have two of these like liquid lip stuff. This is from Bobbi Brown. This is the crushed liquid lip in this shade, wow, Juicy Date. I have this half-caked liquid lip in the shade Theme Song. This is also really like pink, mauvey, nudish shade. I have some of these like hair elastics that I have just kept on it to save space so that they don't get lost. Then I have an eyebrow pencil from L'Oreal. It's the Brow Stylist Definer in the shade Dark Brunette. So it has a spoolie on one end, which really helps when I'm doing my brows, if I have to do them. And I have this little eyeshadow brush, which I would just use to clean the crease in case my under eye is creasing, which doesn't really happen that often these days, so that's good. Then what other stuff I have? Oh yes, I have this Stila liquid lipstick in the shade Angelo. I have these tweezers for emergency, and I have this nail file for emergency. This is all emergency stuff, which I don't really know how many times I've used it. Then I have my perfume in this mini Sephora perfume bottle. It's really good to have it in a miniature version rather than having it like a whole bottle of it. Then I have this NARS, I think it's Laguna bronzer. This is how it looks. It's great because I can just do a quick eyeshadow look with this. I also have this sponge that you can use to either like chisel your cheekbones or something like that. Then the last thing I have is a pad. Anyone who knows me from work or anything would know that I always have pads with me. Not just for myself, but like just in case anyone else needs. That was everything that was in my bag. So let me know, you guys, how you like this video, and if you did like it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post shorts every single day, sometimes 2 shorts per day, so make sure to check that out. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I will link my Instagram and TikTok in the description box for you. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. Love you. Bye.